Hey, is that your wagon? You gonna help Daddy put it together? Mm-hmm. Hey! Yeah. You like that? Is that your wagon? It's not put together yet, but you know it's yours, right? Yeah. You and Daddy gonna put that together? Are you and Daddy gonna put that together? Adam, come look. Yeah, Dada.
He's ready to go.
You in there?
It don't go.
Are you in there? All right, go! Austin. Oh my goodness. He knows it's supposed to go. Look at him.
Why is this not going? You like your wagon, buddy?
Yay!
Yay!
I got